Okay, so we have probably 32 questions so far. We're going on with chapter 16. Know what a water hammer is on page 466. Water hammer, it's a surge of pressure caused by sudden stop of flow. Sudden stopping the flow of the stream of water. So make sure you know what a water hammer is and what it does. That's on page 466. Let's see. On page 476, know how to clean and maintain your hose. I think basically they're going to ask you how to do it, and it's just basically mild detergent and water. Okay, that's on 476. All right. On 479, they're going to ask you a couple questions about what is an appliance. Okay. Just remember what a hose appliance is. It's used to deliver water. So a hose appliance is a device used in conjunction with a fire hose for the purpose of delivering water. So know what an appliance is. For example, a Y. So on page 479, look at the hose appliance. What a hose appliance is, basically, it's used to carry water, and know what a Y is. Okay, which way a Y is. So basically, when the water flows out, it shoots out in the two directions. Okay, so that's another question right there. Um, Hose appliance and Ys on page 479. Okay, on page 490, they're going to ask a question about what a split hose bed. I think basically they're going to ask you if a hose bed is split up with two different hoses, for two different size hoses. What is it called? And it's called split hose bed. That's on page 490. Okay, this is one of the questions I got wrong. Page 516. On page 516, a master stream nozzle. Um, just remember that it's the lowest amount is 350 gallons per minute. 350 gallons per minute is the master stream nozzle. So that's the lowest volume it will flow is 350. So 350 master stream nozzle for your master streams is 350 gallons per minute. That's on page 516. Okay, on page 536, know what a lunar report is. 536, lunar report, location, unit number, name, assignment, and resources needed. I believe you need to know what each letter stands for. So make sure you know what each letter stands for a lunar report for firefighter survival on page 536. Okay. On page 564, know what a water chute and a water catch-all is. I believe the answer is water chute. I think the question is what do you use to make a water chute? And it's basically you use the you take the salvage covers and you use that to make a water chute or a water catch-all. So that's on page 564. Just have to know what a water chute is and how to make it. Going on to page 604. Know what a spot fire is. That's in your wildland and grounds fire. Know what a spot fire is. Know that it just sparks. It's created by flaming vegetation such as the amber and sparks picked up by another convection, and it goes to another place, and a spot fire happens. So know the definition of spot fire, and I think you might need to know the definition of green and black. So kind of study those. On the opposite page on 605, page 605, know what a Pulaski axe is. Okay, know that it's a combination between the adze and axe for brush removal. All right, that concludes our chapters 15 to 20. See you on the next one.